The dry method of cement manufacturing begins with extracting raw materials like limestone, clay, and iron ore from quarries. These materials are then crushed and finely ground into a powder. Next, the powdered raw materials are mixed in precise proportions to create a homogeneous mixture known as raw meal. The raw meal is fed into a cyclone preheater, where it is heated by hot gases from the kiln. This preheating partially decarbonates the limestone, preparing it for the kiln. The preheated raw meal enters a rotary kiln, a long rotating cylindrical furnace. Here, it is heated to around 1450 degrees Celsius. Chemical reactions occur, transforming calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, and forming calcium silicates and aluminates, resulting in clinker. The hot clinker is rapidly cooled using air or water in a clinker cooler, stabilizing it and enhancing quality. It is then ground into a fine powder, known as cement, with gypsum added to control setting time. Finally, the cement is stored in silos to prevent moisture absorption and contamination, then packaged in bags or bulk containers for distribution.